Is it legal to succeed, though? Is it actually legal? I mean, what's the Supreme Court had to say about it? Or, frankly, look, are you prepared to just break the law when it comes to this and just do what's in your best interest?
Well, it's interesting because the opposition loves to talk about how withdrawing from the Union is unconstitutional, but yet they can point to no provision in the Constitution that forbids it. One thing people need to understand about the United States Constitution is it's a limiting document on the federal government. It delegates from the states very few powers to the federal government. In fact, under Article 1, Section 10, there is a list of everything that states are prohibited from doing. Withdrawing from the Union is not on that list. So under the 10th Amendment, that is a power that is reserved to the states. And here in Texas, in the Texas Constitution, Article 1, Section 2, we reserve as an inalienable right to the people to alter, reform, or abolish our government in such manner as we may think expedient. So while people may say it's unconstitutional, it's very clear that it is constitutional for states to withdraw. The Supreme Court did chime in on this issue back in the 1860s, but since then, all of the logic behind that court decision has been overturned by subsequent rulings related to other things. So, we're on firm ground, but beyond the constitutional grounds, we're on the moral and ethical grounds. At any time that governments become destructive of their ends and destructive of the rights of the people have the ability to choose how they are governed. It is a fundamental right of self-government that has obviously been recognized by the United States and really everyone else in the world for the last 80 years.
Look, we have a massive problem over here at the moment about outdated laws and outdated treaties and human rights agreements, etc., that were drawn up for a time that bears no resemblance to the actual lived experience that is happening right now. Okay, we have a massive problem with that here in Britain, especially when it comes to illegal immigration, granting refugee status, granting asylum, and not being able to deport people. And the uphill battle we've got, Daniel, over here, to try to just get those laws updated for modern times, which sounds a little bit like what's going on over there. You're saying that, you've got to deal with what's pragmatic in front of you right now, and that if that needs radical action, then so be it. But Daniel, thank you very much. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Good luck with whatever you're doing, and hopefully we can touch base again going forward. That's Daniel Miller there, who is the president of the Texas Nationalist Movement. Exciting stuff. Watch this space when it comes to Texas.